Hello! In today's video we're going to make a rainbow using collage. We've got different colours cut out of magazines ready to go. I've drawn a rainbow using a pencil, and now I'm filling in each stripe with the different coloured pieces of paper. Here's some I did already, and now I'm going to add some yellow. So I put down the glue and then I tear up my yellow paper so it fits the space. Now I'm adding the orange. You can tear up your pieces and add them anywhere that you like, wherever there's a good space. And now the red. This is the final stripe of my rainbow. This rainbow has 6 different colours. There's my rainbow all finished. Ta-da! Now I'm going to paint the background using blue. These are watercolours. I'm going to take a brush and paint the background with the water all over. Then I add the blue paint. I've decided to add some darker blue spots because I think it will look pretty. Then I think I'll add some purple spots as well. Then I take some salt and I sprinkle it all over the wet paint. This will make it nice and sparkly, but don't forget to brush it off when it's dry. And my rainbow is done! Ah, it's beautiful.